Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install our 15mm spring snaps. So to install your snaps, you will need the top piece, your socket, your post, and your little stud like this. So we will use these two parts to do the top of the snap like you have on your jacket. Well, this one is hidden, but you can see the bottom part here. So to do the hole, we use an awl. That way we don't cut through the fibers, but we push between fibers to make a hole, and it's going to be more stable that way. So you take your awl and you really go through like this, and then you can put your top part and you make sure that it goes through your fabric. At Core Fabrics, we have all the tools to install them, so you can take this part here, and then you will take your tool and you will take your hammer, and you want to make sure that the little post part here has been squished in the middle so that both parts are stable like this. To do the next part, we will need this one and our little tool with the hole inside. So we use the same awl. We make our hole in our fabric like this. I'm specifying this tool because if you take like a punch hole and you break the fabric, it's gonna tear after a while. So by pushing the fibers like this, you're making sure that it's gonna stay put longer. So that's a little trick. Then you put your post in. And this tool is great, so you just put like this and it makes it stay put. Then you put your little stud man on top with your little tool like this, and you hammer again. You just want to make sure that it's really well stuck there. If you have to hammer it a little more, don't be shy. This one I would hammer maybe 3 times, check if it's stable, but don't hammer it like crazy, and because after a while it's gonna really break your little post here inside. So just maybe try a couple of times, check it, and redo a little more if you have to. So now you have the under part and the top part, and we can go click. So when it's brand new, you're gonna have to play with it. Oh, there we go. Like this. And you have a beautiful, sturdy snap.